laser engraving machine can be used to instill images into various materials. To begin, students coat the object they want to engrave with a special paint. When the laser makes contact with this paint, it will bond it to the metal. Next, students load the image they'd like to engrave into the software. Once the software is set up, the painted object is set inside the machine and the laser is calibrated to an origin point. Before engraving, the laser head is set to the proper height. Much like a printer, the laser moves back and forth. As the laser contacts the paint, the area becomes a charred black, adhering to the surface. Any place the laser does not touch stays the light gray color. Once the laser engraving is complete, students come over to the sink, where the paint, not contacted by the laser, washes right off. What's left is a crystal clear engraving in the material. Students get hands-on experience with the laser engraving machines and many others in the Manufacturing Engineering program at Ferris State University.